Australia, a land of natural beauty and hidden dangers. Australia is known as a natural paradise, with pristine white sandy beaches stretching endlessly, winding rivers with crystal-clear blue waters, and vast savannas blending with lush tropical forests. It is the dream destination for countless travelers worldwide. However, behind this breathtaking natural beauty lies a terrifying contrast, where dangerous animals thrive in the wild. Despite having a relatively small population, Australia ranks among the highest in the world for animal-related fatalities, even surpassing the United States, a country with a population 13 times larger. According to a study from the University of Queensland, approximately 20 people die each year in Australia due to animals, mainly from venomous snakes, sharks, lizards, and other reptiles like crocodiles. This makes Australia one of the countries with the highest animal-related fatality rates, even when considering its small population size. Australia is home to over 100 species of snakes, with the inland taipan standing out as the most venomous of all. Its venom has an LD50 value of only about 0.025 milligrams per kilogram, strong enough to kill hundreds of people if left untreated. Beyond snakes, Australia's coastal waters are home to the great white shark, one of the most dangerous shark species, growing over 6 meters in length and weighing up to 1,700 kilograms. Although shark attacks are not constant, Australia's famous beaches experience an average of 1 to 2 fatal attacks per year. The marine ecosystem is equally perilous, with the presence of saltwater crocodiles, the largest reptiles in the world, which can grow up to 7 meters long and weigh over 1,000 kilograms. These creatures are responsible for 2 to 3 fatal attacks annually in Australia's coastal regions. However, these dangers pale in comparison to ancient Australia, a world teeming with hazards, boasting a bizarre and diverse ecosystem. During the Cretaceous period, Australia was not only covered by a massive inland sea, the Aromanga Sea, but also saw the emergence of enormous, powerful, and deadly creatures. First, we must mention Kronosaurus, a pliosaur reaching up to 13 meters in length, armed with razor-sharp teeth and a devastating bite force, capable of crushing any prey unfortunate enough to fall within its grasp. Additionally, this inland sea was home to prehistoric sharks like CXA rhina, which were massive and incredibly fast, leaving little chance for other marine creatures to escape. On land, the presence of giant dinosaurs and reptiles, including large monitor lizards and crocodiles, created a harsh and unforgiving environment. These creatures were not only fierce hunters, but they also exhibited intra-species predation, similar to pliosaurs and prehistoric crocodiles, where survival wasn't just about escaping nature's challenges, but also avoiding threats from their own kind. The battle for survival among these ancient creatures, whether on land or in the sea, made prehistoric Australia one of the most dangerous environments Earth has ever witnessed. The formation of the Aromanga Sea. During the Cretaceous period, geological processes such as weathering, tectonic plate movement, and mountain uplift led to the formation and disappearance of numerous inland water bodies across continents. In Australia, the Aromanga Sea formed as tectonic shifts altered the continent's elevation, submerging vast portions of the land underwater. This not only changed the region's geological structure, but also had profound effects on its climate, creating a humid and nutrient-rich environment that allowed life to flourish. Amidst a hot and humid climate with rising sea levels, the Aromanga Sea became an extensive inland water system, filled with murky waters carrying sediments and minerals from surrounding land masses. These conditions created a unique ecosystem where nutrients and minerals were continuously replenished, driving biodiversity. Shifting sands, mud, and limestone deposits helped shape new floodplains, while also forming natural coral reefs and rich wetland systems. The transformation of the Aromanga Sea not only reshaped the landscape, but also influenced the surrounding ecosystem. Fluctuating water levels and climate shifts forced species to adapt, triggering an evolutionary arms race for survival. These environmental changes paved the way for a biological revolution, leading to the emergence of numerous prehistoric species, especially giant and highly dangerous predators. Kronosaurus, the empire of the Aromanga Sea. Among the dominant creatures of the Aromanga Sea, Kronosaurus stood out as a symbol of power and brutality. This pliosaur species was estimated to be 11 to 13 meters long and weighed over 15 tons. Fossil evidence found in multiple locations across Australia reveals that Kronosaurus possessed an incredibly powerful jaw, with an estimated bite force of up to 27,000 newtons. This number is calculated based on muscle modeling and jawbone structure, suggesting that any prey within its reach faced the risk of being crushed in an instant. Beyond its impressive size and bite force, Kronosaurus exhibited unique morphological adaptations in its hunting strategy. Studies have found evidence of cannibalistic behavior, particularly among juveniles, which is believed to be an adaptation to resource scarcity. In the fiercely competitive environment of the Aromanga Sea, adult individuals attacking or consuming younger ones not only reduced intraspecies competition, but also helped sustain the energy levels of the strongest survivors. Fossil evidence, including bite marks and deep tooth impressions on the bones of juvenile specimens, supports the hypothesis of cannibalism among Kronosaurus individuals. These characteristics cemented Kronosaurus as the undisputed boss of the Aromanga Sea, dominating the entire food chain. Its supremacy was not only reflected in its hunting prowess, but also in its crucial role in maintaining ecosystem balance, controlling prey populations, and significantly influencing the structure of the food web. Paleontologists from the University of Queensland have suggested that Kronosaurus's jaw and teeth structure indicate a kill-or-be-killed hunting strategy, a ruthless but highly effective survival method in the harsh competition of this prehistoric inland sea. Pliosaurs, iosaurs, and plesiosaurus, the warriors of the inland sea, alongside Kronosaurus, the Aromanga Sea was home to a variety of pliosaurs, iosaurs, and plesiosaurus, each playing a vital role in maintaining biodiversity and ecological balance within the murky waters. Although these creatures were not as massive as Kronosaurus, they were formidable predators in their own right. Pliosaurs were known for their robust bodies, powerful jaws, and reinforced skeletal structures designed to withstand intense impacts while hunting. Fossil evidence suggests that their teeth were razor-sharp, perfectly adapted for quickly tearing apart prey. Bone analysis also reveals well-developed musculature, allowing them to deliver forceful bites similar to those of Kronosaurus, but with more versatile and varied hunting techniques. Iosaurs, on the other hand, had a striking appearance with powerful flippers, enhancing their speed and agility in the murky waters of the Aromanga Sea. Fossil remains of iosaurs indicate that their flippers and skeletal structure were optimized for efficient swimming, enabling them to chase down prey over short distances. This ability made them highly competitive in the food chain, where speed and maneuverability were crucial for survival. Plesiosaurus, with its distinctively long neck, presented a stark contrast to the pliosaurs. This elongated neck allowed them to extend their reach while hunting, especially for small fish and other tiny creatures in the Aromanga Sea. Unlike pliosaurs, which relied on brute force, plesiosaurs had a more graceful and efficient approach to hunting, taking advantage of their agile swimming abilities and wide reach in the sediment-filled waters. Studies on the skeletal structure and tooth morphology of these creatures highlight a remarkable diversity in form and function, each species occupying a unique ecological niche. The presence of dominant predators like pliosaurs, iosaurs, and plesiosaurus not only helped regulate prey populations, but also maintained the delicate balance of the Aromanga Sea's ecosystem. By analyzing jaw ratios, tooth size, and wear patterns, scientists have been able to estimate hunting speeds and strategies, painting a detailed picture of the complexity of the prehistoric inland sea's food web. Prehistoric sharks, the predators of murky waters. Not only did prehistoric reptiles and dinosaurs dominate the skies, but the Aromanga Sea was also home to many species of prehistoric sharks. These sharks played a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity and balancing the ecosystem of this inland sea. Among prehistoric sharks, predators belonging to the mackerel shark group and species from the CXA rhina group were known for their fast swimming speed and highly precise attack capabilities. These sharks had body shapes optimized for swift swimming, with slender bodies, powerful fins, and smooth skin that reduced friction when moving through murky waters filled with sediment. Studies on their skeletal structures and tooth morphology indicate that prehistoric shark teeth were often razor-sharp, strategically arranged to easily tear apart prey. Additionally, their electroreception system, formed by organs such as the ampullae of Lorenzini, enabled these sharks to detect weak electrical fields generated by the muscle activity of their prey, even in low-light or turbid water conditions. Fossil samples show signs of shark teeth gradually wearing down over time, suggesting that they frequently attacked and shredded other creatures. This not only illustrates the exceptional hunting abilities of prehistoric sharks, but also highlights their vital role in the food chain, helping control prey populations and preventing excessive population growth. Comparative studies between prehistoric and modern shark fossils reveal that, although some traits have evolved to adapt to changing environments, fundamental characteristics such as body shape and sensory systems have been preserved, emphasizing the direct link between the past and the present.